Good evening, sir.
Out of the damn way!
We got a wild one here. Hey, all right, there we go. Oh, Arthur, come here, come over here. I want you to meet our friends.
Pleased to meet you.
Well, you just a tough-as-teak mountain man.
Oh, you be quiet, Anastasia. Anyone can tell this one is a pussy cat.
Exactly. Yes, he's a pussy cat. Ain't that so, Arthur?
Whatever you say. How much you cost, anyway?
Well, ain't that a nice way to talk to a lady?
Oh, I didn't know I was talking to a lady.
Excuse me.
Well, I must say, I got a fine way with the women, amigo.
Yeah, regular dandy and a charmer. Where's Bill?
Oh, man. I dread to think about it. Hey! There he is.
Watch where you're going. Take it
Are
easy,
you about to
pal.
kiss that guy
Take
or
it
punch
easy,
him?
huh?
Oh, and we have our answer.
Come here, you. Let's shoot these bastards. Oh, come on. We can handle these fools. Come on, fellas. Take it easy, please. Stop dancing. I'll rip this whole top. Come on. Kick me.
Wasting my time.
What the hell's going on down here? No, Tommy, stay out of
Come
this.
here, you little greaser.
You're going down.
You hit like a girl.
Kill you, you son of a bitch.
You bum.
That'll do it. Arthur, give Javier a hand over there.
Hey, tough guy.
What the hell?
You want some too, huh? Come on, pretty boy.
Pretty boy, you're kidding me. Pretty boy?
Go on, Tommy.
You okay there, Arthur? Yeah, I got this son of a bitch.
Okay.
I hope you got more than that.
I said it'd be fun.
Don't take that from him.
Smash his face, Tommy.
Making it real?
I'll crack your damn skull open.
Yeah, you got it now.
Let's go, Arthur.
Stop! Stop! Please! Please! I beg you, stop. Come, sir. You won the fight already. Surely that's enough.
What business is it of yours?
No business. No business, sir, but please, I beg you.
Making new friends again, I see, Arthur.
Look who we found sniffing about. Josiah Trelawney.
The very same.
Well, I thought you'd gone to New York.
And miss all this glamour. You must